In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Grammarly from Google Chrome. If you've decided you no longer need Grammarly in your browser, maybe you're troubleshooting an issue, you want to reduce distractions, or you're just cleaning up your extensions, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and completely. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you're in the profile where Grammarly is installed, especially if you use multiple Chrome profiles for work and personal browsing. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the extensions icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece. Click that to open the extensions menu. If you don't immediately see the icon, try maximizing the window or checking your toolbar area. It's usually right beside your profile picture and the main Chrome menu. In the list that appears, locate Grammarly. It may show as Grammarly or with a longer name, but it will clearly reference Grammarly. Next to Grammarly, you'll notice vertical dots. These dots open a small menu specific to that extension. Click the three dots next to Grammarly. Be sure you're clicking the dots inside the extensions panel, not the main Chrome menu, so you're managing the correct item. From that small menu, choose Remove from Chrome. When you select this, Chrome will display a confirmation prompt. This is a safeguard to make sure you don't remove something by accident. To complete the process, confirm by clicking Remove again. After you confirm, Chrome will uninstall the Grammarly extension. You might notice the Grammarly icon disappear from your toolbar, and it will no longer appear in the extensions list. A couple of notes to keep in mind. Removing the extension affects Chrome for the profile you're currently using. If you have Chrome Sync turned on for extensions, the removal may carry over to your other devices signed into the same profile. Also, uninstalling the extension removes it from your browser, but it doesn't delete your Grammarly account. Your account and any documents saved in Grammarly remain available if you sign in on the web or decide to reinstall the extension later from the Chrome Web Store. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon, find Grammarly, open its menu, select Remove from Chrome, and confirm by clicking Remove. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider keeping your extensions organized so your browser stays fast, focused, and clutter-free.